Juventus.
But he's in their top three, I think, and he leads them out here. Others could keep winning. It is not finished. Pjanic back into midfield with Matuidi, Bonucci for Claudio Ranieri. The grand old man. It would be him. Will it be him tonight? How astonishing. Here's Pjanic. And they're trying to tee up Ronaldo. It was a good piece of defending in the end from Tonelli, an old favourite of Sarri's, of Empoli, and in from Augello.
One as well. Augello puts the ball in. Gaston Ramirez.
Off that a little bit for Rabiot, and here's Ronaldo.
Extremely well, I have to say. At the start of the season, I was trying to work out what he had.
Pjanic style pass there for Matuidi, who lifts it towards Ronaldo, who is penalised for the leverage in the leap.
Well, you can see him complaining. He gets up so very early.
Drifted in by Cuadrado. There from Linetti, now Quagliarella driven wide. Oh, and that was a crunching challenge. Clash of heads there, Gaston Ramirez. He was bored. It's always been his motivation, but tonight could be the...
It's a challenge from Lloris. Certainly,
thought Rabiot could have tried to get his head on that. Here's Bernardeschi. Now Quagliarella. You wondered how long it would take him to try the spectacular kick there from Cuadrado. This is Jakub Jankto trying to pick out Quagliarella, who didn't catch it at all. Chances are coming now for Sam.
Well, that's a surprising thing. You're quite right.
Two dummies. Now Juan Cuadrado just every week. Here's Ronaldo. Can he find some space? He can, but couldn't find the quality.
Couldn't quite keep it down, could he? But again, just cutting inside on that.
Pjanic, and dangerous amount of space for him. There's Ronaldo to tee it up for Bernardeschi. Blocked by Audero. That was better from Juve. Sprung into action there. Now Rabiot. Yeah, tripped there by Torsby. Bernardeschi's there as well. It's Bernardeschi who hits it. Pjanic, clever, really clever. They switched it, and Ronaldo fires home, and Juve take a giant step to making it 9 in a row.
Really smart goal, wasn't it? Linetti was down, lying behind the wall. A good two.
Of course, it's left for Pjanic to stroke it in. Oh, both Ronaldo and Higuain were very close to that. That's dangerous. Stabbed just wide by Lloris. Close.
Certainly was. Snapshot just come to him very quickly.
In from Gaston Ramirez. Had it got a touch, I think it would have been 1-1.
You're absolutely right, because there's no way.
Chevy onto the post or wide. And again from Gaston Ramirez and headed wide. Chance for Tonelli. And it's De Pauli on the overlap. It's a really good ball in, and Gaston Ramirez didn't catch the header for the second time in the game as he would have wanted.
He's had another opportunity
here. And one of them is Cristiano Ronaldo, and Audero with the stop.
I actually think there, Rabiot could have gone on his own.
Space for him now, and Audero spills it. And Federico Bernardeschi, with his first goal in a year and a half, might just have won the title for Juve. Is that the moment of confirmation?
Breathing space. That's what it's given now. I don't think it was a foul. Matuidi got in there with the